Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pickles without garlic. First, choose fresh, firm cucumbers, ideally those specifically for pickling. Next, you'll need to prepare your brine. This typically involves combining water, white vinegar with 5% acidity, and non-iodized pickling salt. Remember to sterilize your jars and lids thoroughly to ensure food safety and proper sealing. To achieve a rich flavor without garlic, consider a variety of spices. Fresh dill, mustard seeds, and whole black peppercorns are excellent choices for a traditional dill pickle profile. For a little kick, a pinch of red pepper flakes works wonderfully. You can also add bay leaves or coriander seeds to introduce a more complex aromatic depth to your brine. Once your cucumbers are prepared and your brine is hot, it's time to pack your jars. Arrange the cucumbers tightly into your sterilized jars. Carefully pour the hot brine over them, ensuring you leave 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Remove any air bubbles, then seal the jars. Finally, process them in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes to ensure a safe, shelf-stable product. After processing, let your jars cool completely and check for a proper seal. Store your delicious garlic-free pickles in a cool, dark place. For the best flavor development, allow them to cure for at least 2 weeks before opening. This waiting period lets the flavors meld beautifully. And speaking of lasting quality, check out the link in the description for some amazing darn tough socks, plus other great deals. Enjoy your homemade flavorful pickles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.